Don't have a PC to complete your quests? Don't worry. I made a Discord bot that lets you complete quests straight from your phone. First, go into my Discord server. The link is in the comments section. Next, go to the bot-cmds channel and type /setup. It's going to ask for account token. If you don't know how to get your account token, I linked a tutorial video in the comments, or you can find it in my server's hashtag FAQ channel. Once you enter your token, it will look like this, meaning your setup is done. Now, just type /quests, click the menu tab, and you'll see a list of quests to choose from. I'm selecting the first one, hit start, and give it about 10 to 40 seconds to get going. The bot will DM you a progress tracker so you can watch your progress. Once it's complete, just open your quest tab and claim your reward. Thanks for watching. If you want to use the bot, join my Discord server via the link in the comments, and yes, it's completely free.